Today's August 12th, 2024. This is 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗃, host of the updates, bringing you your daily GD 2.3 update. There has been no news about GD 2.3 today, but DavJT, who is the creator of Crazy 1, 2 and 3, showcased his NCS level entry, and it looks really crazy. And as of today, we hit 7 years worth of weeklies, 365 weeklies, which are obviously 365 weeks, which are obviously number 2, 7 years. Wow, crazy again. And that's already all for today. And now it's the time for the clip of today.
SpongeBob, Patrick, Squidward, Sandy, SpongeBob, Patrick, Squidward, Sandy, SpongeBob, Patrick, Squidward, Sandy, SpongeBob.
What, the SpongeBob of Gamble? Anyways, let's move into the quiz.
You have been relocated here for classified reasons. If you cannot answer the next question correctly, you will be taken care of. You have been warned. Fn of x is n Fn of x minus 1 plus Fn of x minus 2. What is the value of Fn of x? Is it A, this thing, B, this thing, C, this thing, or D, this thing? You have 10 seconds. The correct answer was C, that thing. Good job if you got it right.
Boink.
What? Boink? Boink, boink? Anyways, make sure to join my Discord to submit your stuff, check out the memberships, and I will catch you tomorrow.